Well, joining us on the broadcast, we have Sanjay Gupta, leader of the Shiv Sena, and Asif Bhamla, spokesperson of the BJP in Maharashtra. Thank you both very much for joining me. Sanjay Gupta, if I can begin by asking you, what's your take on this entire controversy? The team has issued not one but two apologies.
देखिए, इस तरह की फिल्मों को कोई परमिशन मिलनी नहीं चाहिए। एक तरफ तो सेंसर बोर्ड इसकी परमिशन देता है, दूसरी तरफ इन्हीं की सरकार है, केंद्र सरकार में केंद्र सरकार ही सेंसर बोर्ड के अधिकारियों के अपॉइंटमेंट करता है। अगर सेंसर बोर्ड ने इसकी परमिशन दी है तो सेंसर बोर्ड में इसकी शिकायत होनी चाहिए और सेंसर बोर्ड को इसकी परमिशन कैंसिल करके इस फिल्म पे बैन लगाना चाहिए। इस तरह की फिल्मों को एक तरफ तो आप परमिशन देते हैं, फिर दूसरी तरफ आप इसकी एफआईआर दर्ज करके आप खड़े हो जाते हैं कि हम हिंदुत्ववादी हैं। ये किस तरह का हिंदुत्ववादी है? अगर आप हिंदुत्ववादी तो पहले आपने इसको परमिशन ही क्यों दी? और ठीक है, इसके खिलाफ महाराष्ट्र सरकार में भी एक्शन लिया जाएगा, कैसे इसमें क्या करना है क्या नहीं। यूपी से जो भी लोग आए हैं उसको भी देखा जाएगा। और एक बात मैं और पूछना चाहता हूँ, आसिफ बामला जी यहाँ पर है, अभी योगी जी ने कहा कि हम 1000 एकड़ में फिल्म सिटी बनाएंगे। 1 एकड़ जमीन उन्होंने एक्वायर नहीं की यूपी के अंदर और 1000 एकड़ में वो फिल्म सिटी बनाने की बात करते हैं। जरा आप अपने माध्यम से ही पता करना कि 1 एकड़ जमीन एक्वायर नहीं किया उन्होंने। और इस तरह से यूपी में एफआईआर दर्ज करके फिर महाराष्ट्र में आगे चलकर किस तरह से ये मतलब बॉलीवुड को सपोर्ट करेंगे और किस तरह से प्रोत्साहित करेंगे जिस तरह से ये काम कर रहे हैं आज।
Right. Asif Bhamla, do you want to respond? Do you want to respond to that? There's been two apologies that have been issued. The team has also, come out and said that whatever is the objectionable content or, the bits that have hurt Hindu sentiments, they're willing to remove them. Why then is this being pursued on a war footing? You have the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh coming out and calling them aparadhis already, judge, justice and jury.
You see, now we are aware that the legal notices have been issued to Amazon to remove Tandav from its platform, and we understand that the section of Hindus have taken offense, you see, for anti-Hindu content, and filmmakers, I personally feel that they should ensure that they don't make a mockery with regards to any. I mean, there was a film which was a derogative film even on Prophet Muhammad, and even that did get a lot of flack. So, when the filmmakers, and I personally am of the opinion that lately the filmmakers are deliberately trying to make films with such content so that they get a lot of popularity. Now today, Tandav is on the headline; it's trending. So is it a deliberate attempt to gain and the curiosity to see Tandav has increased so much?
आपकी सरकार है, सेंसर बोर्ड आपका है, एक तरफ आप परमिशन दे रहे हैं, दूसरी तरफ आप ऑब्जेक्शन कर रहे हैं।
Why is someone else talking when I'm already talking?
No, Sanjay Gupta raises an important point, Asif Bhamla, and respond to him. He's saying that is it the prerogative of the police or is it the prerogative of the censor board to pursue these matters? If the censor board's already cleared it, then these are FIRs that have been registered at the behest of a few Hindu groups that have voiced discontent with certain sections of the show.
You see, I'm not very surely aware about the censor directives with regard to OTT platforms, because I believe the central government is trying to pursue and ensure that the OTT platforms do come in the ambit of of a certain level of discipline and understanding. So I don't know the involvement and how much is the censor board looking into, like it does with the proper feature films with OTT platforms. I am not sure whether
the fact that one isn't sure and the fact that this area is completely ambiguous at the moment, Asif Bhamla, that's exactly what Anil Deshmukh, the Home Minister of Maharashtra, has come out and said, that the centre then needs to come out and formulate
exactly.
rules and regulations in order to govern this, so that
there has to be a regulation towards this to ensure.
Because remember, the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh has already pronounced them guilty. That's the issue here.
No, but you see, there is a huge outcry, and when it comes to religious sentiments, be it of any caste, I'm not confining it to just one community. I mean, there has to be some regulation, some quorum, some decorum. If you see, I mean, this by
आपने
doing
तो
such,
बनाना है, आप मतलब आप
producers
सरकार
and
में हैं या
directors
अपोजिशन
are
में हैं?
Sanjay
responsible
Gupta,
for
respond to that.
more
Okay.
and more content like
मैं
this.
तो ये एक बात ये
Well,
पूछना चाहता हूँ कि
words like discipline and decorum are extremely subjective when it comes to creative content of this kind. But Sanjay Gupta, you wanted to respond to that. आप कुछ कह रहे थे?
मतलब ये सरकार में है या सरकार के बाहर है? मतलब आप कह रहे हैं कि इस तरह के ये नियम कानून होने चाहिए, रिस्ट्रिक्शंस होनी चाहिए, मतलब ये बनाएगा कौन? बनानी आपने है, आप सरकार में, केंद्र सरकार में आप हैं, सेंसर बोर्ड में अधिकारियों की अपॉइंटमेंट आप करते हैं, आप एक तरफ परमिशन देते हैं, इसकी गाइडलाइंस तो आपने जारी करनी है।
Asif Bhamla, Sanjay Gupta raises an important point when he says that it is the prerogative of the government after all to look at this.
I'm going to answer, but just tell him not to intervene, please.
Okay, go ahead.
Is a basic problem which we have faced with films in the past. There are certain films which, in a family atmosphere, I mean, not even films that are of the religious sentiment affected, regular films, also the language used and so on. So there have been many complaints and issues with regards to this in the past. And which is why the central government is wanting to bring this into a proper regulation, and they're working towards it. It's not that there has been no work happening in that direction. They're working towards it, and I am sure they will come with a very confident. I'm sure the IB minister has taken cognizance of that, and very soon you will see with a proper plan. But till then, I mean, the producers have to be extra cautious. You can't, you see, but there has been a deliberate attempt to ensure that such films which have such content. Now,
no, you're saying that there was a deliberate attempt to do what? Sorry, can you please clarify that? This is a deliberate attempt to...
Why are me and you and Sanjay debating today? It's on the headline. It's trending because content.
No, Asif Bhamla, you're saying this is a deliberate attempt to?
No, this is a deliberate attempt to take the headlines and to create more curiosity in and
So you're saying this is a marketing gimmick?
Yeah, perhaps. That's what I'm saying. This is
okay.
Sanjay
Gupta, would you agree? आप agree करेंगे कि ये एक marketing gimmick है? But the thing is that you're saying this is a marketing gimmick, but they are not the people who've gone ahead and filed the FIR. There are 3 FIRs in UP and 1 in Madhya Pradesh. These FIRs have been filed by the Uttar Pradesh and the Madhya Pradesh police. So who are you accusing of a marketing gimmick here?
I'm accusing the producers who are making content,
let Sanjay Gupta come in as well. Sanjay Gupta?
Be it with Hindus or with Muslims. That's not I'm not taking one community into consideration.
Okay, I will give the last word to Sanjay Gupta. Go ahead.
मैं आसिफ बावला जी से पूछना चाहता हूं, आप कह रहे हैं मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं, मतलब परमिशन आप दे रहे हैं, ऑब्जेक्शन आप कर रहे हैं, एक तरफ आप परमिशन दे रहे हैं, दूसरी तरफ आप ऑब्जेक्शन कर रहे हैं, मार्केटिंग कौन कर रहा है मुझे आप ये बता दीजिए आप, और किस तरह की गाइडलाइंस बनाने चाहिए वो आप कब बनाएंगे ये बता दीजिए आप।
Well, the investigation into the matter continues. There is a team of Uttar Pradesh police officers who are in Mumbai carrying out their probe at the moment. We will continue to track the details of this story very closely. Remember, Team Tandav has issued not 1 but 2 apologies and have also promised that they will take down the objectionable sections of the content of this show. Thank you both very much for joining us on this conversation.